In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious, easy, and fast dessert recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need vanilla dessert shells, vanilla pudding, sliced strawberries, and whipped cream. We're going to fill the dessert shells with the vanilla pudding. Add whipped cream on top of the pudding. Top with strawberries. Add extra whipped cream. Our easy and fast dessert is complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.